the answer will be clear. Okay, for your question. What quality do you like most about yourself and why? Again, what quality do you like most about yourself and why?
The quality that I most like about myself is my interest of music, because it gives me reason to celebrate life, and I also use it to make others happy and entertained. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 1. Please step forward, candidate number 2. Kindly pick a question. Okay, for your question, candidate number 2. How would you balance your academics and extracurricular activities if you are doing this Once again, how would you balance your academics and extracurricular activities if you were to win this title?
If I were doing this title, I will use this title to be a motivation or inspiration to other people to strive hard. If I were doing this title, I will use this as an inspiration to other students. Thank you.
Candidate number 2. Please step forward, candidate number 3.
Ano hindi? Kulbaan mo na ba eh?
Kindly pick a question.
Ano? Sunod tabang.
Okay, for your question, what feature you change about yourself and why? What feature you change about yourself and why?
Dito ba lang?
The feature that I change myself is like being
dito. Saka kaya yamara. Oh, ito ba? I think life is a good health. It's our people. Thank you na lang, B.
Thank you na lang, thank you.
Thank you na lang, uy.
Okay, again, for your question, what feature you change about yourself and why? What feature you change about yourself and why?
Wala lagi na siya, ma'am. Wala ang taon.
Kaya ano mo, uy, kubag lang gusto ko. Kaya ano niya, uy, kubag lang jud. Lagi tinggi na lang ko, Loy.
Nama lang siya, wala gid siya. Thank you na lang siya.
Hindi na kulang tao.
Thank you na lang.
Lagi.
Alit lang may sila hapon ihagit ko.
Ay, kitudloan siya.
Lapisan pa ay dili na lang.
Lagi na.
Magyapon. Ako niya gusto natin.
Wala. Ako siya di ba ako tutupag siya. Gerat na.
Ano man din yan? Ha?
Pero na siya nag-suot. Kasi kasit niya. Kasit niya. Kaya ito na lang. About siyang life, change ba niya ang life niya? Yes, it is. Tulba kayo, tulba, tulba kayo. First time na doon niya.
What feature I change is
Thank you na lang dong.
my attitude because
Uy, ako
if
na lang.
someone bully me, I get angry.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 3. Please step forward, candidate number 4.
Ayaw, ato ba mo si PJ? Kubag lagi yung parang si PJ.
Kapag bakanas pa dyan dong.
Kubag na, Bing. Wala nang takabalo.
Okay, for your question.
Kubag na
Do you
siya.
think that the youth of today faces more pressure of performance than the previous generation? Once again, do you think that the youth of today faces more pressure of performance than the previous generation?
For me, the youth today faces more pressure of performances than the previous generation due to the fact of the fast development of technology and the unquenchable thirst for the development and progress. Society nowadays has made modifications and innovations to cope up with the competitive world. That's
Kaya na.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 4. Let's move forward to the female category. Please step forward, candidate number 1.
Ay, hindi na ako. Wala ka na.
Okay, for your question, Do you think social media is a positive or a negative thing? Once again, do you think social media is a positive or a negative thing?
Thank you for that sublime question, Ms. Speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, social media plays a vital role in the lives of everyone in this generation. Although some may see it as a positive or negative thing, I see it as a platform instead. A platform to influence the youth to take action for relevant causes, a platform to raise awareness for current issues, and a platform to share knowledge. It is up to us, however, on how we use that platform. So ladies and gentlemen, let us create an atmosphere of positivity and use social media as a platform to share the good. Let us choose to make social media a positive thing for us all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 1. Please step forward, candidate number 2. Pick a question. Okay, for your question, what is your definition of success? Once again, what is your definition of success?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, success is an abstract noun that we have to restore and think about in our daily existence. Success is a word that pushes me to strive harder and drive me to reach my goal to become a
Wala pa siya.
successful
Laki
person.
ba yung una good?
So as parents,
Wala ka
as
tibang number
educators,
3.
and as students,
Ulo.
we need to empower
Wala to, kulbahan
everyone
good siya.
and guide them in the journey to be stronger, to have an unbreakable faith, to understand ourselves, to love ourselves, and most of all, to accept ourselves. That's all. Thank you.
Ano si Rizky?
Okay, thank you, candidate number 2. Please step forward, candidate number 3.
Ano?
Please pick your question.
Wala pa. Pasahod pa. Uy, taas tayo, yaa.
Okay, for your question, candidate number 3. What is the biggest challenge to young people today? Once again, what is the biggest challenge to young people today?
There are so many challenges to young people today, but for me, I would have to say depression and suicide. To young people today, depression often expresses a higher level of frustration or anger, even over small things. There are a wide range of treatments for depression, such as talking to a physician is a good way to calm and relax your mind. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Okay,
answer mo.
number 4, kindly step forward.
Sama, laban mo. Nakalaban mo si BG. Ano sa'yo na ginawa? At number 3, Jud Boy, lucky? Wala. Ay, lako. Oh, my God. Kanina.
Okay, for your question, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why? Once again, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why?
Ano sabihan?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for that wonderful question. If I could change one thing about the world, I would eliminate human greed. Why? Because human greed is at the core of most of our world's biggest problem. Greed is like a newborn seed that grows in a poisonous vine, eventually dominating the human soul like an infectious disease, spreading to every corner of the society, ultimately blinding us from the truth. That will be all. Good afternoon and thank you.